Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about short forms. Do you know what do you mean by short form? Yes, just for example, when a person has a name like Vikneshwaran, how do we say usually? We just shorten his name and we call him like Viknesh only, right? Vikneshwaran turn into Viknesh. So when we are making a full sentence, full form, full words into a short word, that represent the short form only. So what is short form? When we shorten, okay, when we are making the words into become a short, means that only represent as short form. Okay. So now we are going to learn what are the short forms are in English grammar. For example, in the helping verbs like I will not, cannot, we have already learned about the will not or cannot. Will not will become what? Very good, won't, right? Cannot will become, we shorten into can't. Am I right? So for those verbs we know about it, right? Do not will become don't only. Did not we shorten into didn't only, right? These are the some example, and now I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to tell you more short forms in English grammar. Okay, in our daily sentences, how can we make the words into short form? Okay, what are the verbs can be shortened? Okay, so let's learn one by one. So here are the some short forms of the verb. See, am, is, are, have, had. All these auxiliary verb can be shortened with the subject, with the pronoun or with the noun or pronoun only. Okay, so let's learn one by one. So I am become am. I am become am. See, whenever we are shortening something, whenever we are shortening the words, we need to put apostrophe. Okay, for see here, am will become apostrophe m. See here, the letter A is missing, right? So the missing in place of missing letters only, there we are going to put apostrophe. Are you clear, children? So apostrophe will come after the subject. So for example, when the subject here is I and I am using the verb that is am, and now I am going to shorten this verb am only. So that am will become M only, apostrophe M. In place of A, I have used apostrophe. So wherever if you see the missing letter, there only we are going to put the apostrophe. You will learn one by one. See, I am will become am and we are. We are. Are is a verb and we is the pronoun and it stands for subject here. We are will become, see, where. We will come as it is after the subject. In place of this missing letter, see here A is missing again, there only we are going to put apostrophe, then RE. Where? Okay, VR will become where, and then he is going to shorten like is going to shorten like apostrophe. Yes, I am going to show you. See, is going to shorten like apostrophe. Yes, here I is missing, right? In place of I only we are using apostrophe. So whenever we are shortening any verb to the subject, we need to put apostrophe in wherever the letter is missing. Here the I is missing, we are going to shorten like apostrophe yes only. So we have put the apostrophe in the place of I only. He is now will become his, and we have will become, the subject will come as it is. After that, we are going to take out all these two letters, okay? Have will become we have, we, okay, we only is going to come, and we are going to remove this HA. So, in place of this HA only, we have put the apostrophe. What is apostrophe? This one, okay? The comma will come down, but apostrophe will come on the top, okay? So, next, I had is going to become like I'd. What? Yes, I. We are going to remove this HA. See, in have also we have removed the HA, and had also we have removed the HA only. So, in this place of HA, we are going to write the apostrophe. So, here see, I had will become I'd. Apostrophe has come here, and we need to write only D. Are you clear? Then let's go for she will. She will become like she'll. What we have removed here? We have removed this WI. In place of the wi only we have we have used the apostrophe. So here this, whenever we are writing in shorthand, in the will wi won't come. In place of wi we need to write the apostrophe. Then she will become she'll. Okay. And cannot, we know cannot can be written like can't. See here there is a 2n, so we have removed 1n and then we have written, see, in place of this o we need to put this apostrophe, then only we can write the t. So cannot will become can't and could not will become couldn't. See, this n will come, see, but only o is going to miss. In place of o we need to put apostrophe, then t will come as it is. Are you clear, children? See, whenever we are using I am in a sentence, you can say like am, okay, am will come like you need to remove the a and you need to put apostrophe. Then I am, whenever we are talking, whenever speaking English, no, we used to speak in short form only, like I am playing, no, I am playing, we used to say in short form only. So these are the some short form example. So we are will become where, okay, where. So here we need to remove, whenever we are talking in a short form, we need to remove this a from the are. Then in place of this a you need to put apostrophe so that it will become short form. Okay. And also when I say they are, for they are also the answer will be the same, like THEY, they will come as it is. In place of a only we are going to put apostrophe, then RE, they are. Okay. They are, we are, you are also we can write like this only. Okay. Then he is, the subject will come as it is, children. Only the verb is going to become into short form. See, he is will become his. Okay. Here we need to remove the I and instead we need to put apostrophe in the place of I only. So he is now become his. And we have, what we have missed here, we have removed this HA from the verb, from the word, and then we need to put apostrophe, then we, he. So we have, okay, we, then they have will also will come like they. Okay, the subject will, we need to write the subject in a whole, and then only we need to remove this verb. Okay, verb only can be written in the short form. I had will become hide, and she will become like she'll, and cannot became can, and could not became couldn't. So are you understand, children, how do we need to write in short form? Yes. Okay, so let's do some examples. Okay, some example sentence with the help of these short form. Okay, so here I have written the 3 example. Now you need to tell me where we can write in short form. Okay, in which places we can write in short form. Let me read out the first sentence. I am playing chess. I am playing chess. As I said, we can't shorten the subject. We can shorten only the be form verb or do form verb, only the auxiliary verb, like am, is, are, have, had, or will family, will or would. So those verbs alone we can we can make it into short form. Okay. So here we can find I am. So I am, how can we write I am into short? Very good. We can write like I am. See, the subject will come as it is. In place of a, I need to put apostrophe. Then this am will come as it is. Now I am will become am. Am playing. All other will come as it is. I am playing chess. Are you clear, children? So only in this place we have made the changes. Okay. In place of a, I need to put apostrophe. Then this am will come as it is. Okay. So let's go for the second sentence. We have some red roses. We have some red roses. Here I can find the auxiliary verb. So here we can make the changes. Okay. We can make the changes. So I am going to write the subject as it is, that is we. How can I write have in short? Yes, apostrophe VE will be the short form of have. Then we have some red roses is the Correct answer. See, have, we can write have in short like apostrophe ve. That you need to keep in your mind. Then she was not going home. She was not going home. So here, can you find any verb? Yes, was. She was, we can't write, but here was not. Here this has come with the negative sentence like could not. So in could not, what we need to do? We write in short. Yes, we need to make the changes only in not. This not can be written in short like n apostrophe t. So same only we are going to write here. See, she was will come as it is. Then we need to write n. Then in place of o I need to put apostrophe. Then t. She wasn't going home. She wasn't going home is the correct answer. So here, when a verb comes with not, when a verb comes with not, we can make the changes in not place only. Okay. So here n will come as it is. In place of o, I need to put apostrophe. Then the t will come as it is. So children, I hope you are clear with this short form. See, whenever we are writing in the short form, you need to make the changes in the verb place only. The subject will come as it is. Only the verb, only these verbs are going to shorten. Okay. So we have learned how can we shorten this verb, right? So am will become am apostrophe m, and are will become apostrophe re, and when we are making the shortened form of have, we need to put apostrophe ve, and had will become apostrophe d, and will become apostrophe l, see apostrophe l, and then can't or could not, that not will become n apostrophe t. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this topic, children. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.